Hello, what's going on, guys? I hope you are printing dollar, Ghana cedis, naira. I hope you are printing everything. On my previous video, I made talking about FundingPips Prime, but today I'm gonna show you guys exactly how that FundingPips Prime works. Okay, because I got the FundingPips Prime myself, and I think I got over $5,000 in payout from that account, and then I blew the account as well. But I'm going to explain exactly how it has been the experience of trading a Prime account. I'm gonna tell you exactly how to get a Prime account and how I traded and what is my take about the Prime account, right? So let's get into it. So the first thing is, when it comes to FundingPips Prime, what is the FundingPips Prime? It's a new account, it's a live account. FundingPips give it to you. Now, how do you actually get a Prime account? To get a Prime account, there are two ways. You either unlock it by yourself, like by being profitable, or you can actually be invited by FundingPips themselves. So the first one is you unlocking it, and to unlock is really simple. You have to be profitable, have a funded account, get at least 3 payout. Once you do get 3 payout on your 4 payout, you are allowed to upgrade the account to Prime. So if you do upgrade to Prime, the original account will be closed, and then the profit you made will be converted into a Prime account. But the profit has to be a minimum of 2% and a maximum of 10%. So as simple as that. Now, what are some of the rules on the FundingPips Prime? There are only 2 rules for me, basically. First is the daily drawdown, which is 2%, but you are not losing your account to daily drawdown. Basically, if you hit a daily drawdown of 2%, your account will be disabled for that day, okay? And then the next day, it will be re-enabled again, and you can trade again. So it's for them to make sure that you don't blow the account on a single bad trading session. And I think it has been really good, because for myself, it has helped my account so many times. And then the second one is the overall drawdown, which is, I think, 8%. If you do lose more than 8% overall, then you actually blowing the account, and the account now is gone, okay? So these are the only 2 rules. Everything else allowed, bro. So let me take you through I'm gonna take you through my account, and I'll show you guys exactly what I mean by everything else allowed. As you can see, I'm currently on my FundingPips dashboard right here, and if I do click on my account here, you'll see that I got this FundingPips Prime and I blew it. And as I said on my previous video, when you have a Prime account, you can get your account scale up. So originally, the account I got was a 30K account, and I got the scale up from 30K to 40K. So if you do see my account size here is 40K, it hasn't been 40K. It has been 30K, and it has gone to 33K and 36K and then 40K. If I think that's how it has gone up. But yeah, so this account here, I had basically little to no rule. The only rule I had to obey was the daily drawdown, which I actually didn't care about the daily drawdown, but is the overall drawdown. Once you do hit your overall drawdown, which is 8%, you actually blow the account, right? But one advantage of the FundingPips Prime is that you have daily payout. You have daily payout, and not just you have daily payout, you can actually request payout multiple times a day. So you can look at my daily summary here. You guys know me as someone that doesn't trade every single day, but you can see that as soon as I got this Prime account, I've been trading every single day, bro. I traded on Friday. First day I got the Prime, I lost money. On Monday I lost money as well, and on Tuesday I made money. So that means I recovered the losses, and I got a couple of payouts. If you see me having 16 trades on a single day, I traded a lot, okay? And I traded this way. This day I also got some payout. I traded here, I got payout. Every single day that you see me ending in the green, that means that I actually made money. I didn't lose it. Now if I come to where I'm getting payout, you'll see that on 14 August, you see on 14 August here, I got a $500 payout, I got a $500 payout, I got a $800 payout. All of this payout I got is in a single trading day, by the way. So that means that on Prime, if you are making money on the account, as far as you are up on the account, you can request for a payout. And when you make 5% on the account, then your account gets scaled up by 10%. If you make 5%, your account gets scaled up by 10%, which is, really good to me. And then if you keep going, look at it well. 14 August, I got 3 payout, 891, 500, 500. And if you go to 13, I got 500, 11, I got 500, 12, I got 500, 11, I got 200, 300. So all of this here, I got what, almost $4,000 in payout from this FundingPips Prime. One account I got, and all of this payout I got is within 1 week, bro. 1 week. So everything I'm telling you here is that when you have a Prime account, you have daily payout. You can get as many payout as you can. It's all about, are you able to trade and make money? Like, are you actually profitable? If you are profitable, then you get paid. But if you are not profitable, you're gonna lose money. Simple as that, bro. So this is a whole new level. Once you get a FundingPips Prime account, all you have is daily loss, overall loss. You can trade news, you can do anything. You have basically zero restriction. And trust, you can even open 10 lot on gold. So if you are really good at trading, bro, like this FundingPips Prime is exactly the dream. Once you have this account, it's very easy for you to go and like pull, you know, some fat payout. So yes, this would have been pretty much it about the FundingPips Prime. I blew my account because I lost the 80% they gave it to me. So I no longer have a FundingPips Prime anymore. But I'm gonna be buying new account pretty soon. I will buy new account, I'll pass it, and then hopefully I'll maybe get some capital payout and then get a Prime account again. Or if I do get invited again, then I get directly a Prime account. This time here, I'm gonna go for at least like $100,000 Prime account. So since I have a big account, I would have more drawdown to play with, and hopefully I'm gonna make way more money as well. So that would be pretty much it for today's video here. I hope you've understood something about this FundingPips Prime. That would have been it. If you want to get your FundingPips account, feel free to use the coupon code AstuceFX to get 20% off. And for me, yes, I'm waiting for this new week to start pretty soon, so I'm gonna get my FundingPips Prime account as well. That would be it. Ciao guys, bye bye.